Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me. It is an unusual, unexpected video today. No tutorial I'm afraid, but just a very quick wanted to show you this gorgeous new Ornate Garden Suite. It's going to be available in the new annual catalogue that goes live on the 3rd of June. However, obviously we're not in June and we're not even in May yet. But I have my hands on it. That's because it's one of the perks of being a demonstrator. I get to pre-order stuff early and get to have a play with it before it goes live to, I suppose, the general public. It is a fantastic suite. So I'm going to go through it, and it's literally arrived not even 5 minutes ago. I've opened the box and I've just put my camera on to show you because it's just beautiful, and I want to get playing with it, so I wanted to show you it before I played with it. And I can show you that it's still untouched because it's still not prepped. So, but I'm going to show you what I've got. So this is, as I said, it's called the Ornate Garden Suite. It is stunning. As you can see, there's a fair few bits to it: 2 stamps, 2 dies, embossing folder, ribbon, gems and gorgeous DSP. Now, I have it on good authority from the flyer. This DSP has one of the new in colours. Now, I'll let you sit and decide and work out if you can tell what colour it may be. Obviously, I don't have a name for it as yet, but how exciting. So, I'm going to show you what we have. So, we have some gilded gems. So, for want of a better phrase, these are gold faceted gems. I don't know if you can see with the light reflecting on the plastic. Let me take them out and show you them like that. So they're like faceted gems because they have this beautiful texture on them, and they are sort of a, well, I think they're gold. Anyway, somebody's probably going to tell me now that it's a different colour, but anyhow, so they are the gilded gems. Then we have this gorgeous Ornate Garden ribbon combo. So I'm going to go with Old Olive and Terracotta Tile. Again, in fact, what am I doing? Why don't I just get the flyer on my phone and then I can actually give you some proper information. Bear with me 2 seconds because I've just pressed the wrong button. So I have the flyer on my phone. So the ribbon is, yes, Old Olive and Terracotta Tile. And these gilded gems are opaque gold gems, and there are 3 different sizes. So that's amazing. But yes, this ribbon, if I can just open it, because I want to show you how pretty it is. It has like an edging to it. Can you see? Is it going to focus? Focus. There we go. It has like this gorgeous edging to it. Really pretty. So Terracotta Tile and Old Olive. Our embossing folder, Ornate Floral. How pretty is that? Some really cute little flowers and sprigs going on there. I love that. That's really pretty. And I do love my embossing folders, so I can't wait to be using that. So the stamp set that we have, Ornate Thanks and Ornate Style. So this one's a cling stamp set. This one's photopolymer, so nice and clear. As soon as I saw the font of this, I loved it. It's just really pretty. Thankful, so grateful, and thanks, and then quite a few different why, my friend, seriously, ever so much. I'm for everything. Your kindness is so loved. So here's a card. You're amazing for all you do. From all of us, for all your help, you made my day. Just wanted to say I wasn't sure how to from the bottom of my heart. Aren't they just brilliant? I just love them so much. So, and the font, well, both of the fonts actually, really lovely. Ornate Style, as you can see, is some beautiful, beautiful flowers. A nice little flourish here as well. Really pretty. Love those. As I say, it is cling, but look at the size of that. That's a brilliant size stamp, that. That'd be fantastic. Colouring up with blends. Oh, you'd be there having so much fun. So then we have our die. So Ornate Borders. So So this one, Ornate Borders. Look at those. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Oh my god. So we have, sorry, I do get so excited, I'm like a child at Christmas. So we have, these are separate ones, these two here. So we have this lovely long thin dotted, then we have this beautiful one here. We have flowers, separate flowers. I'd like to think they're going to coordinate with this one, but I don't think it does actually. No, it doesn't. But hey, you know, I'm not going to complain because these are still beautiful. And this one, I'm going to guess goes over one of these. Or one or the other. Let's see. So it goes over that one. So obviously you get that pretty edge detail. Yeah, it doesn't go over the other one. But that's to go over that flower one there. So that's really pretty. But yeah. Oh, I can see some beautiful edged cards being made with that. That's fantastic. So that's the Ornate Borders. And then we have Ornate Layers. So if I can get into this. Oh, well and truly wrecked that one, haven't I? That's not going back on. Ornate Borders. And do you know what the amazing thing about this is? This whole suite is that the whole thing is $127.75. Oh, look at those, only pretty. So yeah, so the whole bundle suite itself is $127.75. That's your beginner starter kit. £130 worth of products for £99. Hello, here we have it. The whole suite ready. Obviously we do get bundles, so I'm just trying to look here. So okay, so these two are a bundle together, and then these two are a bundle together. So obviously if you did just want to get a bundle, these are the ones that go together. Oh my goodness, they are beautiful, aren't they? Oh wow, I can't wait to play. So those are those. So yeah, so you can buy those bundles, but if you join and put them in your starter kit before the 31st of March, you can get them now. Okay, if you don't put them in your starter kit and you wait to get them as a customer, then they're available from the 1st of April to the 31st of May. So you have to wait until April. So I know it's not a million miles away, but there we go. So this is our gorgeous DSP. So, oh, do you know, I'm sure that other demonstrators will understand, but this paper smells amazing. New DSP just has this kind of smell to it that is just amazing. So I'm trying to fan these out, because as you know, you get 2 pieces with each one. So these are the gorgeous flowers that the gorgeous DSP that goes with it. So as you may have spotted, we have some early espresso, we have mint macaron, we have some old olive, obviously whisper white, terracotta tile that goes with the ribbon, and then we have this kind of yellow colour. I think that might be one, but we'll see. And then on the reverse, we have gold. Woo! Pretty gold on 4 of these sheets. Oh my word, seriously, these are divine. So, what can I say? Up until the 31st of March, you could have this as your starter kit. This gorgeous DSP, the complete bundles that I've now wrecked. Whoops. The stamps, the embossing folder, the gilded gems, the ribbon. It's a perfect starter kit, isn't it? £127.75 or €165.50. What can I say? I would love if somebody said to me, do you know what? I know how much you love your crafting. I'll treat you. £100, buy what you like. I'd say, can I have the starter kit please, because it pays for itself. It's perfect. I get all of these goodies for extra. And don't forget that up until the 31st of March, you'll also get this little beauty and another stamp set of your choice and the paper pack. What can I say? There's so much stuff there. It is just too good to miss. Hope you get interested. There is a link down in the description below to my blog that will give you a little bit more information about all of this, but honestly, isn't it gorgeous? Thank you for joining me, and hopefully you'll be joining my team soon, and if not, you'll be purchasing these as a customer on the 1st of April. Have a fabulous day, and I will actually be bringing you some projects with all of this soon as well. Bye!